Hey guys, Pineapple Dan here, Niagara Tropics, Zone 7A, coming to you from Niagara-on-the-Lake. Hope everyone is well. Big shipment of palms coming in again this year, out of control. The palms have definitely gone crazy. We've got 45-gallon euros this year. We've got some field-grown windmills, some doubles. These are around 13 feet tall. Happy customers there for these ones. Lots of field grown this year, very popular. So we'll see what that brings. But as we go to the back, we'll look at some of the inventory, some of the pre-orders, and just wanted to thank everybody for their pre-orders. We got them all in. We got a lot of 30-gallon windmills here. We have orders over here. Diane, that's yours. Steve, we've got your 45s in the front. We've got your Pindos, mule palms. Danielle, we got your 15-gallon windmills. We've got some beautiful saw palmetto silver form right here. They're deemed a little hardier than the green ones, but we'll see where that goes. Sue, that's yours. We have some fantastic needle palms in the 3 gallons. Bob, we've got yours over here. You know, the list goes on. Sable miners. We're trying Washingtonias this year. So they've been deemed very popular again. Everything from the 30 gallons to the 15 gallons, most economical size and price point. So we find that the 15 gallons, anything including windmill palms, are probably the best bet for you. They seem to be in abundance every year. And Catherine, we have yours right here. Jeff, we've got yours. We'll ship that one out to Nova Scotia or New Brunswick. We've got a bunch of new things this year. We're trying actually some queen palms. We get a hit up with a lot of restaurants, patios that are looking for something there. So these queen palms seem to lend to it. They're pretty hardy, but they're not terribly cold hardy. So I do recommend you bring these in for the winter. And you can see how they really give a nice tropical feel in the 15-gallon format. Of course, got a lot of bananas. Many of them have shipped out and gone. We're dealing with magnolias, Bracken's browns, some teddy bear magnolias. We have crepe myrtles out around back. So anyhow, thanks for tuning in, guys. We're very excited. A lot going on this year, and appreciate all your orders.